All right, guys, so this is a quick little tutorial if you are looking to change out your radius rods on a Maverick X3. The very first thing I did is I took this back plate off, which is this one right here. Took all 6 bolts out after I got it jacked up. Then I took one of the wheels off. I'm just doing them individually. There's 1 bolt down here and a nut. You're gonna go ahead and take those out. After that, you can easily access this, just like this one. I just slid these back in so that the arm wouldn't swing around, just for stability. So if you're going to do this, go ahead and do them individually. It's what I chose to do. And of course, after you get your radius rod, you're going to go ahead and get all the bushings installed that came with your package. The one that I got is from SuperATV. They have a pretty detailed instruction on their website. So just go ahead and follow it. After I put this bolt in, went ahead and attach this one. Now I'm going to put the wheel back on and just repeat the process for the other side. All right, we got both sides installed. After both these sides are done, you're going to want to go ahead and put the new plate that it came with. Don't tighten all the bolts just yet. Just kind of wiggle it, push it in. What I found out that was really easy is just kind of lifting up both sides. Just gently getting the bolts aligned. After you get all the bolts aligned, go ahead and twist them all on and just kind of go through in a pattern. And then make sure to use a torque wrench. It's going to be 80 foot-pounds of torque for the top and as well for the bottom. Doesn't matter which one it is.